Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to be building a TiTANiC. Exciting. So before we start, I just want to let you guys know that this is a project for school. I hope you like the build, and I hope it's not too hard for me too. So let's get started. So we are going to be going out and flying now, so let's hope it flies. A couple of things I wanted to mention about the build. Some research I had to do on the build first. I had a couple of pictures on right here, as you see, coming up wherever. They are of some people, some pictures of TiTANiC that people have built, and that's kind of where I've got the pretty much the design of the boat itself. So I kind of just took that and I took some wings off of other airplanes and I put them on here that they fit sizing accordingly. So as you see in this photo here somewhere, it's actually people that build a tank flying. So I thought this was a really good way to make the TiTANiC fly is using the same kind of system. So this is a very not conventional way of how people normally fly airplanes, but this is a canard style of an airplane. So it uses the front thing to actually do the lifting instead of the back pulling down. The front actually picks up. Okay guys, so I'm trying to fly my little TiTANiC here, but I'm not having an elevator. So it's pretty much just driving around and it's not going up at all. So we don't really have any elevator on the front piece, so I'm gonna put some elevator on the front piece too, and I think that might help my situation here. So let's go back to the building and see if we can fix it. So as you see there, it kind of didn't fly. I'm not really sure why, but I guess it'll just take more scientific research and trial and error to figure that out. It's always fun to do these kind of builds for that reason, that I can learn and figure out why stuff doesn't work and why stuff does work. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.